Chainsaw Man, Episode 7, Taste of a Kiss. This is gonna be dope. Did they bite off? Did he bite off his arm? Where did the blood come from? I hope they can still see him down there. Okay, yeah, they can still see him. That's good. Because only Power and Aki knew what he looked like after he transformed. So what's going on? Why does Pochita have enemies all of a sudden? I really want to figure out what's going on with that. Oh, his arm. Jeez. Okay. Is his heart somewhere else, or he's biting it? Yeah. You're so much weaker now. Was Pochita strong? Oh, I'm so, like, I'm glad we're getting, like, I hope we get, like, a backstory on Pochita. Power, throw him some blood or something. Oh, that's disgusting. Yeah, I figured he'd be able to do that, because he did that with the Bat Devil. Yeah, now you're scared. So, is this guy like the trainer? Does he train all the members of public safety? Oh, okay, so that is a motivation. That's being sensible again. I mean, that's one way to think about it. But he looks like he's been through some stuff, so it might be warranted. Aki's still a punk, so make sure to work him over. She really just wants Aki to live. Yeah, she doesn't want him to die. More like millions. Oh, did they break his neck? Jeez. Oh, that's cool. So there's no range on that. I wonder, because Power can... Well, Power's a fiend, right? But can she, like, drink blood and heal like Denji? Because if so, then she could jump down there. How long have they been fighting? Three days? Yo, Denji is a trooper. Oh, it's over? He won? Oh, so she was just there keeping watch and like pulling his string if he got killed? Already? It's been 3 days, Denji. Why does his heart look like that? So it's been 3 days since he's been fighting, so how long have they actually been in there? You two head back to the office and resign. That's what you two need to do. Because you're not cut out for that. And I know her parents are making her, but still.
人歓迎会。
そう4課全員集まったことないしさ親睦を深めつつ
Oh, so that's all of Division 4.
問題をなくしましょうよさあ小紅ちゃんと新井君が公安やめるって言ってんだよね悪魔が怖くなっただけじゃなくデンジ君を殺そうとしちゃって悔いてるんだろう
They should.
姫野先輩も殺そうとしてたじゃないですか。
That's true too.
そんくらいでやめちゃうんだわ今の子は
I know, right? They're so sensitive. That's funny. They need to apologize. Well, she needs to apologize to Aki. She full on stabbed Aki.
飲むなら牧間さんと飲みたい。
Oh, Dingy would enjoy that. Get to hang out outside of work.
デンジ君の秘密を知ってるからなのか
I mean, she already told Aki that he has the chainsaw devil inside him, right? Or am I mistaken? I'm pretty sure Maki told him that. Makima. Like, how long have I been saying Maki?
飲むの半年ぶりです。
私も家で少し飲むくらいですね。
のけ刺身は全部わしのじゃ
Nobody was reaching for it, Power.
道に迷っちゃって
コベちゃんこっちおいで
Wait, who are these
マキ
people?
マさん遅れてくるって
Because they weren't in the building. Is this all of Division 4? Or
こんな美味しいご飯初めて食べました
she's so
ほ
timid?
とんど家入れてるもんねたくさん食べな
どれな盗っ人唐揚げは全部わしのじゃ
フシさんとこの魔人は連れてこなかったんですか。
ここには怖くて連れてこられないですね。早川さんのところのマリンちゃんは理性が高くて。
How reasonable? Oh, his must be terrible.
あくそ読める漢字が少ね
Oh yeah, Dingy. He never really went to school, huh?
キスの件は
おおシラフじゃ恥ずかしいからさもっと酔ったらしてあげるもうみんなで殺そうとしたこと許してね
ああもう超許すよ超
He's super forgiving.
公共の場で契約している悪魔を言うな。手の内は信用した人間にしか見せちゃいけないぞ。
相変わらず硬いやつだな。
He's right though.
俺デンジ年は確か16趣味は食うのと
Eating and sleeping. He said if I remember, but he doesn't even know how old he is.
お茶
Oh, okay, he's drinking tea.
22歳契約している悪魔はキツネ趣味は俳句です
Wait, isn't Aki contracted with the
狐の
Fox
悪魔は
Devil?
人間に有効的だからたくさんのデビルハンターと契約している。
Oh,
キ
okay.
ツネの頭はイケメンしか使えないんだよあの悪魔
あー
面食いだから
It's down bad. Okay.
南無阿弥陀仏法蓮方言下教
先輩もう酔ってるな。
Yes. Very clearly already.
したいから死なないもんね
That's true. Dingy's not gonna die because he wants a smooch.
にいる新人以外みんな姫野にキスされてるよ逃げられねえからな
Yeah, Dingy, Maki tried to tell you. It's not. Makima tried to tell you. He said guaranteed.
俺今日ファーストキスしちゃうんだ
キス
Oh, that was a nice entrance. I wonder what Dingy's gonna do now.
デンジ君誰かとキスするの
しません
デンジ君キスしないの
しまーす
Dingy, make up your mind.
それでキスって
姫野さんとキスするとか牧間さんに見られたくない
キスしないの
でも同じくらい強い気持ちでやっぱりベロキスしたい話をそらすしかね
Yeah, what do
え
you?
牧間さん
This is great.
俺さ銃の悪魔のなんちゃら拾いましたよ
牧間さんはデンジのこと何か知ってるんじゃないですか。
私より飲んだら教えてあげる
Oh.
私もそれやる生もう一つ馬刺し唐揚げ馬刺し
唐揚げ
Dude, this is a great episode. A little wholesome episode, everyone just hanging out.
すいません
Oh, Maki can hold her beer. Maki,
でもすごいよ
I've been doing that all episode. Miss Makima can hold her
魔
beer.
人はとっても少ないんだよ
わしは IQ が高いからね
Just like you.
どのくらいあるの
100?
100って高いの私も確か100ぐらいだったけど
じゃあ
She's gonna say it's no 120.
フシさんは高いんだよね確か
134でした。
Was she gonna say now 150?
わしは確か500だったか
500. That was funny. Oh,
おや
oh, Dingy. And she's watching.
牧場さんに見られた。
Dingy,
なんだ
Dingy, stop.
感触がした。気持ちいい。柔らかい。
It's
柔らかい
really
なん
soft.
だこれ。した
It's her tongue, but it's melting in my mouth.
The flavors are melting on my tongue!
じゃない。ゲロだ。
That's foul.
すいません何か拭くものを
Don't swallow that. Oh my god. I wasn't ready for that. I wasn't ready for that at all.
食うなんて信じられねえよな
Oh, did
同
you?
じ哺乳類として情け
How
ね
the
えぜ
tables have turned. Yeah, I'd be doing the same thing too.
じゃあよ。ファーストキスはゲロの味だぜ。
I mean,
それを羨まし
yeah. But you shouldn't have done. I mean, it wasn't really his fault. She kind of just kissed him after she bumped into him. But yeah, Makima told you it's better. It's more special when you do it with someone you know.
人のお金で飲むお酒が一番美味しいですね
She's so soft spoken.
あれデンジ君は
デンジ君なら姫野先輩が背負って連れて行きましたよ。
Where is she taking Dingy? Is she kidnapping him?
そういえば、ゲロ女にゲロキスされたんだ。
The puke girl gave me a purpose.
水。水。
Yeah, this is sketchy. Where is he? Yo, the animation, dude. Is that water or was that beer?
なんで私ん家にいんの
What are you doing in my... she's drunk.
なんじゃこれ。
I'm so dizzy. I think he's had enough of you kissing him for one night.
あんなクソ女やめときゃいいのにも
Oh,
う
someone doesn't like Miss Makima.
もうあんな
Yeah,
照れ
I
て
knew
る
Aki
の
liked her.
も
She's gonna have a terrible hangover tomorrow.
うしちゃう
Oh, don't end it. I actually wonder what he's gonna say. But he's like drunk though. I don't... Well, is he drunk or does he just have a headache? I'm a little confused. Alright, so that's it for episode 7 of Chainsawman. Really awesome episode. I like the little, like, the whole team hanging out, just chilling with each other. Also, like, whenever, like, the team gets together and train, like, those episodes in animes are some of my favorites. So this episode was really cool. One of my favorites for sure, probably, like, top 3. Dingy and the barf kiss. I wasn't ready for that. It's like, how could you be ready for that? And then I'm glad they blurred it though, but that was disgusting. It was cool. Miss Makima showed up. When she showed up, I really thought Denji wasn't gonna kiss her, but yeah, it kind of just happened. And she was just like, oh my, I wonder what she thinks now. I don't think Denji's 16. How old is what's her name? But I don't think they're gonna do it. Like, she's severely drunk, and Dingy, he's had enough for one night. Yeah. We got to learn about the Fox Devil. The Fox Devil is down bad for humans, apparently. So a lot of people actually have contracts with the Fox Devil. So I wonder how many people have contracts with, like, the Ghost, because she has, like, the Ghost's right hand or something like that. And then, yeah, so other people have Fiends, too. I forgot that guy's name. But he said Aki's Fiend, which is power. He said your Fiend is more well behaved than mine, which is surprising. Like, I want to meet his Fiend and see how that goes. But overall, really awesome episode. Can't wait for the next one. I wonder what's going on with the Chainsaw Devil, because Denji wasn't getting attacked like this when he was a kid, and Pochita wasn't. Maybe it's because they merged and that he's stronger now. I'm not really sure. So that's pretty interesting. I want some backstory on that. I want to know what's going on with that. All in all, really great episode, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.